Hello everyone, my topic is the software process design. So let's start with the introduction. The software design process is like creating a detailed plan or blueprint for building a software system. It involves figuring out what the software needs to do and how it should work. Here's how it usually goes. Understand what the software should do. We talk to the people who need the software and learn about their requirements. We ask questions to understand what features the software needs to have and how it should behave. Second thing is we decide how the software will be organized. We think about how the different parts of the software will be fit together, and we determine what components are needed and how they will interact with each other. Third thing is we make important decision choices. Like we make decisions about how the software will look and work. We consider things like user interfaces, data storage, and algorithms that will be used. And fourth thing is we create a detailed plan. We create a detailed blueprint or detailed design document that describes exactly how the software will be built. It includes things like diagrams, descriptions, and specifications. Let's move ahead. So the design plan of the software development deals with transforming the customer requirements as described in the SRS document into a form implementable using a programming language. The software design process can be divided into the three levels of phases of design. So the first being interface design, architectural design, and detail design. First comes the interface design, then comes the architectural design, then the detail design. It is very clear from this diagram. You can see this. It is very clear. Like we analyze the problem, generate the system interface, evaluate the system document. This is interface design. Okay, and we move ahead, and this is architectural design, and we move ahead from architectural design into detailed design. So let's move ahead. So now we'll talk about interface design. So interface design is the specification of the interaction between a system and its environment. Uh, Precise description of the event or messages that the system must produce, specifications of the data, the formats of the data coming into and going out of the system, etc. It is very easy, you can read it. Architectural design. So architectural design is the specification of the major components of a system, their responsibilities, properties, interface, and the relations and interactions between them. It is very easy. Components, interfaces, gross decomposition of the system into major components, allocation of functional responsibilities to components. These all come under architectural design. Now we'll be talking about detailed design. Design is the specification of the internal elements of all major system components, their properties, relations, processing, and often their algorithms and the data structure. Requirement analysis. So the software design process is a systematic approach to creating a detailed plan or blueprint for building a software system. It involves several steps that help translate requirements into a well-structured and efficient software solution. Here is an overview of the software design process. First thing is requirement analysis. Understand and gather the functional and non-functional requirements of the software system. This involves interacting with stakeholders, conducting interviews, and analyzing user needs. Second thing is architectural design. Determine the overall structure and organization of the software system. And third thing is detailed design. Define the detailed specification for each component identified in the architectural design phase. This includes designing algorithm, data structures, user interfaces, and any other necessary system modules. Design documentation. Create a comprehensive design document. So we created a comprehensive design document that document all the design decisions and specifications and diagrams. Moving ahead. So review and iteration. Review the design document and seek feedback from stakeholders, domain experts, and the development team. validation, and feasibility. Validate the design against the requirements to ensure that it aligns with the desired outcomes. Evaluate the feasibility of implementing the design, considering technical constraints, resources, and time frames. So the conclusion is the software design process aims to create a well-structured and efficient plan for building the software system, ensuring that it meets the specified requirement and is feasible to implement. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much.